everybody, welcome to Inn Cottage. As we said in a previous video, we were hoping to facilitate a broader choice in sound bath. So for the coming weeks we will be holding 3 a week. Tuesdays and Thursdays we will be holding at 7:30 in the evening, and Sunday at 10 o'clock in the morning. Also, what we would hope to provide is an individualized instrument session. In other words, we would have a gong bath using only gongs or crystal bowls, Tibetan bowls, drums. They would be individual sessions, so that again will provide a greater variety. Some people prefer gongs or would work better with gongs in the morning, whereas they might choose bowls in the evening. So on Tuesday the 19th will be our next sound bath. It will be at 7:30 and it will be using a broad spectrum of instruments. So until Tuesday the 19th, goodbye and take care.